Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In our video today I'll show you how I plaited this spring twist using the Arafa braid from the Lash company. So you can use this Arafa or you can use the Guess Girl. There are so many types of braid that are being used to plait this hairstyle. So as you can see, I have plaited almost done. And first of all, I cut the hair into two, and then I was also using the Gatsby treatment, which I was applying on the natural hair. And also, after my client washed her hair, we did not straighten it, we just plaited it as natural as it was. The Gatsby also helps to ensure that the hair is able to relax. Thus we are able to achieve this look. So this is how I plaited. So I used the double fixing method, whereby I was plaiting a small braid first, and then after that I was adding a larger strand of the braid, and then braid for a short distance, and then now start twisting. Now this kind of twisting is different from the one that I was using when I was doing the previous video on the Senegalese twist. You will notice that in this video I will be twisting in the opposite direction. I will not twist in the direction that I was twisting in the other video. Yeah, just look and see what I'm going to do. And then also with this one, I'm not going to tighten the braids. So you're supposed to twist loosely. You have to make sure that you loosen your hands like that. And then also I kept applying the Gatsby to ensure that the hair was not too dry. There are people who prefer using water. As they plait the hair, they spray it with some water to ensure that the hair is it is well relaxed, and also to help achieve this look. So I also, because now we were here at the top of the head, I also was adding the length a little bit, yeah, to ensure that the hair is looks very full in the head, and also to enhance styling. So guys, that is how to plait the spring twist. So almost done plaiting this one. So that is the final look, guys. What do you think? Comment down there. It looks very nice. It looks bouncy, curly. It's just beautiful. Yeah, so I was able to plait throughout the head, and this was the final look. And my client was very happy. As you can see, the braids are quite full, and also styling is good, and the hair is very light. And this is a hairstyle that can really last someone long, because they can wash and have it styled again. So thank you for watching. It was nice creating this video for you. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.